What up, you do? Bing, bang, boom. Bing, bang, boom. All right, what are we looking at today? Well, I guess it's gold and silver's in the news. They're down. We can say they're down. Uh, Retail is down. The Retl, RETL, the we three times bull is down 13%. Um, the gamer, I know I saw a gamer. G, where is that? Yeah, GAMR is down 5.16%. We got, looks like we got, what do we have here? Net gas is up pretty good. Uh, let's erase this down here. We are here. Let's restart this just in case. The VIX is down 7%. UVXY. Whoa. Bing, bang, boom. Whoa. That is amazing. Snoop puts these videos up there. It's just so funny. Oh, they're pushing the Logan Paul fight back.
Okay.
Bro, did you see that? I thought that it was Jake Paul gonna fight again, but now his brother is gonna fight Mayweather.
One's a boxer, like,
No, they're both boxers.
but one's got like a decent record. The other one's just like
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know which one is the.
Well, I don't know either, but the whole thing. I mean, the whole thing. This whole thing. These rich fucks.
Hello.
Hey, what's up?
What's going on?
Not much, man. How you doing?
I'm doing all right.
Guy. Is he in his car?
What's that?
You in your car?
Yeah, I had to drop off some hot sauce over at Jungle Jim's this morning.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I wanted to meet with my guy over there. I'm starting a hot sauce vending machine that I'm trying to roll out across the nation.
I love it.
Yeah, we'll see if it works.
Word.
See if it works.
Excellent.
So I am in my car, but I still want to make trades. I'm going to sit here for the first like 10 minutes, and then I'm going to hit the road.
Is it cold?
What the fuck? Is it cold?
Yeah. Oh my god, bro.
Fucking terrible. Oh, look what's across the street, the West Eye Center, my dad's old office.
That's insane.
Yeah. I'm
Art.
at gate.
10 seconds. All right, let's see what we got. We're working. We are working. Yield is up. No. All right, nothing yet. Let's see. What do we have to open? Currencies. 75.89, 75.89. 131.96. Okay, nothing new. Where's the market? Let's see what we got. Yeah, gold. Yeah, so gold, what the hell? Something is wrong with my 12. Oh, yeah, sorry, yeah. We opened inside the range on gold and silver. Sorry, I see it. Let's just take this out. What do we got? Negative. All right. Because we opened up. Oh, here we go. Negative. Boom. Okay, we got a one. All right, hold on. We're gonna go short. C1. I don't want to take this trade necessarily. All our we are short 379.90. This sector hasn't opened 100%. Let's see what happens here. C, close. It's a 1. 632. I mean, I know that sector, the full sector hasn't opened yet. We got a 1 negative, okay. Jesus. I'm not used to waiting for entire sectors to open. I wonder if that's the move. That's a tough week. Shit. Yes. Yup, the sector's still not open. You can see what's not Australia and the pound have not opened yet.
Yeah.
I just don't know what it's going to look like when they open. Nothing else. Negative. Yeah, T, no. O, no, oh, no. A, no. Hiya, nope. Corporate, nope. And 09, nope. Negative, nope. Yeah, we're like not close on anything. What do we got? What do the VIX want to do? We have 18. We're still waiting on stock to open.
What was it? It was short at what was it? 379?
Yeah, 379.90, but the sector's not open yet. Like the entire sector. So basically what I'm saying is, what if the rest of the sector opens and it changes the landscape? We're used to taking these trades. I haven't seen this in a long time. We haven't really been getting signals on sectors that haven't opened yet. On like half sectors. Negative 8, Jesus. Yeah, I don't know. This is going to be interesting too, about currencies. Now that we have everything else set. $3.80, where did the dollar open? The dollar opened up. The dollar opened up. Everything opened up. Huh. These things might open the fuck down. let's see what's going on. Why does it take these things so long to open? I don't understand. 380. 4. We got nothing. Negative. Negative 4. Negative 0.11. Now we have 3. Yeah, I mean, the dollar was in the dollar relationship is intact. You know, on the open. Well, whatever, we'll see. We you know, we haven't seen a ton of currency stuff. Now we're at 3. This is going to be negative 0.001246. 0.001246. It's going to be a bag. They're really going down. Or that relationship is broken. Yeah, maybe that relationship is broken on the open. Let's see. All right, Vix, give us some. 379.9. All right. 3 negative. Okay. Do some. Nothing. 12. Wow, currencies are getting. Let's see. Okay, we do have an open. Hold on. 75. Okay. See now, now the whole, we need to wait for the sector to open.
I gave him that.
Well, the whole landscape just wiped away. I think, yeah, on this one, on this particular thing, because for some reason it takes these things forever to open, we just have to wait. Because the landscape's gone, meaning,
Gotcha.
you know what I mean? We're actually below the entire level now. So it's like we have no trade. Now it's coming back. Delete. Yeah, I mean, we have no. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. The final one. We have no trade. No trade. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait on that. We're gonna wait on that one. All right. We really have nothing. Negative 0.004, 0.004709. Kai, yeah, we the full sector open, and then I knew that it wasn't going to be in the same place. I never, you know, we're coming across things I haven't seen before, so we have nothing right now.
But you mean you have no vested? You're basically haven't bought or haven't shorted, haven't long.
Exactly, because you know I saw that the piece of the sectors that were open gave us a signal, but I knew we were still waiting for the rest of the sector to open. We haven't really gotten any. We haven't seen this situation in a couple months. So,
what's the SPY at right now?
It's at nothing, because once the final piece of the sector opened, the whole thing wiped itself away.
But I mean, what's the SPY at right now?
Oh, yeah, 380.67.
I mean, it's that fucking high. From the last few days, it was down at 372. Now we're at 380. What's the high? Like, what's the highest the SPY's ever been?
Oh, the high in the SPY is 385.85.
And when was that?
A week ago.
Okay, it can fluctuate up to 85. All right.
Yeah. I mean, you know, we're bouncing off the 50-day. You know, Biden is in office. You know, it is high. I'm just telling you, it's going higher. But you know, we have.
Yeah, they're about to approve the stimulus too.
Well, totally, but like, you know, like to get us all in like that professional long-term money management frame of mind, you know, we have 4 years. You know. We have 4 years of up.
What if Biden dies? Kamala takes over.
No, it's the same. It's economic policy. It's not exactly just because of someone's the president. The people around her will still enact Democrat policy. You know. It's kind of like a movement that
I did read that. It's interesting. I did read that even without stimulus right now, because everyone was worrying about like how the corona, but
Yeah.
the CBO, the Congressional Budget Office, just came out and said that actually, if there's no stimulus and everyone keeps on track with the vaccination schedule, the economy should be pre-pandemic.
Yeah.
Exactly like it was 6 months from today. That's what they project. Before they were saying it wasn't going to be 2021, 2023.
Yeah.
So I'm just saying, if that's true, I guess you can posit maybe that if they pass a 1+ trillion stimulus, there's just a lot of hot money rolling around. Then if the economy comes back to where it was before without the unnecessary 1.1 trillion, so there's like another trillion to throw around, you know.
It's the same thing that happened under Obama. There was just a shift to, you know.
Yeah, but I'm just saying, if the Congressional Budget Office says with no stimulus everything will be fine in 6 months, and there's an additional 1.1 to maybe 1.9 trillion.
Yeah.
There's only one place to put the money in. the stock market because housing's kind of, but there's not, I mean, they're not going to invest in businesses, so they're just going to throw it stock. I think that's the thing. There's a lot of money, right?
It's
What do
true.
you think?
It's true. Like, you
I mean, I
know,
wonder how much of that 1.9 trillion got spent on marijuana.
Yeah, I'd say,
You know, everyone.
guilty, guilty.
Right? Right, so am I.
Yeah, I mean, what happens is people just start innovating, and the shift to whatever just got crumbled, it shifts real quickly into, like, you know, something else, something more innovative, and so the economy ends up coming back. But what's weird is it's not normal that people are talking about the stock market, you know, under a Democrat. It's just so interesting that we're up this far with a Democrat coming into office. I don't know. It's just crazy.
I mean, we've been on, like, if you look at the long term, I mean, it is an 11-year bull market. So, you know, I mean, it's interesting. 12-year bull market?
What's that mean?
I don't know. I just say it's a long, I mean, it's like.
It's because, and Kai, I told you I was going to teach you economics or whatever. It's because Trump only had one term. You can't destroy an economy in 4 years. It takes 8 years. So we had, you know, 8-year Democrat, 1 year Republican, and then the Democrat, you know, so. So what do you, I mean, we haven't gotten one signal today, and the market is, we opened at 379.62. But I did this currency is suspect. It is.
I think nothing moved.
What?
I think not one of my stocks has moved. They've all stayed the same, unless I need to refresh my.
Oh yeah, you're just it's just on a lag or something.
Even better. God damn.
Yeah, so when we go offline, we'll talk about what happened this morning. Huh. I mean, we literally have no signals, and to try and figure out what the other thing means, I don't know about that. You know, like a half sector, I don't know how to analyze that. What did we say? Those things opened, and we were at 380. We were like 380.30, kind of. C sector, sector around 640. 632. 632, 379. I'm just gonna write in what I'm seeing. 380, 30. Negative. Oh, we could get. What is this? Hold on.
I just threw it.
Oh. $15. What is this going to be? Oh yeah. That's funny. And we're talking about taking some risky stuff like that. That signal is over, so we're supposed to flip or something. That's pretty risky. But I am just keeping track. Cause we could get a 1 year, a 1 long. Negative, yeah. Come on. -5. Okay, we are 1 long at 380.79.
80.79. Huh?
Yeah, we're getting a 1 long now. One, 0.
Uh-oh. I gotta take this. I'll call you back, guys.
All right, buddy. What time was that at? 6:54. 6:54. So we got a short at 379.90 with a half sector. Those full sector opens outside of the range at 380.30, down 40 cents. And then we get a long at 380.79. Oh, here we come. Here we come. All right, we're 3% away. Oh, VIX, 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 VIX. Eight. This GameStop, man. Holy shit. $8.20, 16. Huh. Going so all over the place. The dude. Moody the dude. Rastafari. Now, what are we doing today? What are we doing? Ah. Well, it looks like a tight. That is tight. The open is pretty tight on the spine. It is 7:03. There are no numbers today. Negative 5. 1 negative. 12. Market rally accelerates. We are still long. 387 now. Mike, where were you reading that? Were you on that Wall Street Bets?
One about what?
Where you said we're all holding, don't sell, hold.
Although there's just a quote, there's just that it's an article, but it was a quote
Oh,
from like a member of Wall Street Bets. Everyone's like, "We'll be okay." Like, we'll be okay as long as we hold. I'm like, all right, no one's holding. Why? Because all investors are total. They're just investors or traders. They're all just greedy mofos. And when they see any sign of panic and they made some profit, they're gonna sell. That's just natural psyche, unless you have no control.
well, especially something like that that went up 1,400%. Or what did it go up?
Yeah, ridiculous. Like, of course that was me. Of course that was me.
I was thinking that it would hold for like 30 days or something. I don't know why.
The shorts already put. They do the shorts. Those hedge funds got ruined. They're not ruined. They lost, and they're like, all right, we moved on. Like, we'll take our loss.
No,
You guys are like holding on, thinking
there were articles yesterday that they're still holding on to that short.
possibly now they're.
I mean, I don't know. You know what I mean? It would be interesting to really know the real story,
You're not going to beat Wall Street. You're not going to beat hedge fund, and you're certainly not going to.
No, you're not. Right?
Yeah. And you're certainly not going to beat any administration, primarily this administration that's been severely backed by Wall Street, got millions of dollars of dark pool money. They're going to make sure that the Wall Street gets their money, people are fine. Like, most administration won't care about it.
Yeah.
It's just funny. People are like, we're going to take it to them. Like, all right, dude, go occupy Zuccotti Park. Go do what you're going to do. Make a change.
Make a change.
Meantime, the hedge fund guy in Florida was like, yeah, my fund lost a bunch of money, but I'm still doing Renos in like 44.
Oh, yeah. I saw that.
He's like, my fund lost a bunch of money, but I got more capital from Steve Cohen. I got more capital. He's like, dude, they just bail you out. So now they're going to pass losses on to future investors who think they're going to make money, because they'll make money eventually. That's just how it works. And I just love to be like,
if Bill Ackman can make money, then anyone can do it.
yeah, but I'm just saying they make money because they rig it.
What a lying piece of shit.
It turns out that, like, if you look behind, there's literally only one company that clears everything. It's like a monopoly, man.
Yeah.
They own all the shares. You just basically, I didn't realize this. I thought when you buy a share, you own it, but no, when you trade it using these platforms, you're basically just borrowing the share. And like, there's one clearinghouse, like DD. I don't know. I looked it up. It's like they're basically a private monopoly with government back. It's like Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Like, it's just quasi. It's crazy, man.
Yeah. What you're saying is those shares have to sit on a shelf somewhere, and you're saying.
Hold on a second. Let me see it was ridiculous. It was like, I didn't even know. The only good thing is that it brought to light to some people, but DTCC Clearinghouse, which basically, like, Citadel Funding does 40% of like the transaction trades. Those guys it's just all like prime brokers and those mutual funds.
Right.
Funds, but this thing called the Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation, that's owned. They own their headquarters in Wall Street. They're the ones that basically they handle all the they own 90% of all the trades that go through. Like, they have to clear them. They're the clearinghouse. What you're
saying is that they don't want that the banks don't want to hold the inventory of shares that they have. So they have someone else do it. So they're not.
They're the first that everyone thinks. But if someone try to like go in to find out who actually runs and stuff, and man, it gets there's like dark. It's like there's like these holding companies that are part, like, it's just like a shelf, not a shelf. There's all these other investors, and like, who owns this stuff? Like, who? If someone makes a phone call and be like, hey, dude, we're getting hit on this. Close it. Like, what's going on here? Like, it's like, here, I gotta find it. It was like, DTC is the only clearinghouse. They own all the paper stuff. They own 90%, 98%. But then they have these subsidiaries.
They don't. What you're saying is, No, they don't own it. They don't own it. What you're saying is it's like, the stock market is like Ralph's. All the different shares sit on the shelf. You know what I mean?
Big 16, fucking billionaires. So it was a crazy article. Like they started to research, like, their net income was like 300 in 2018 was like 300 million. All they did was just like
Hold the shares.
They're the only clearinghouse for low margin costs. So they basically have a clearinghouse.
Wait, would you say they're only clearinghouse what?
I gotta find the article. They're the one that own 98% of the physical. They cleared 98% of the physical stock for low discount commodities, like the most discount brokers. So Citadel does 40% of the trade, but Citadel's owned by Citadel's invested in by this Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation, DTCC.
Yeah.
Who DTCC is like owned by. This guy tried to research it. It was like a tangled web of people who actually own this private monopoly that actually is the backstop for all of the trades on Wall Street. It's like, dude.
Yeah, like
you're not gonna win.
Like Mike, like in the futures market, right?
Yeah.
Two people come together and form a contract out of thin air.
Yeah, I mean, there's all that. They're saying that like they cleared on their off their books or 1.7 quadrillion in. It's just like, dude, this stuff if it really came into fruition.
So in the futures market, two people come together out of thin air, right? One's a buyer, one's a seller. There's no inventory of those contracts. It's just two people coming together. In the stock market, there's actually so many shares outstanding. And they have to sit somewhere. But I always thought that those shares sat at the firms that took them public. But now you're saying that those shares are even backstopped. I think that's if I'm understanding this correctly.
I was reading the article and it was like, man.
Yeah. Maybe Moody knows too.
You're just never gonna know.
Where Moody. All right. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, like